Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi Deshmukh. Welcome to this English Words Tense series. Today we will learn one of the type of present tense, that is present continuous tense. It is also called the progressive tense. Here the word progressive suggests something which is in progress, which is changing right now. Okay, so let's understand when do we use present continuous tense. Here are some situations already I given. So let's understand one by one with the examples. In a first example, John and Anna are playing badminton. Here in this sentence we use present continuous tense to show the action is in progress, which is happening right now at the time of speaking. So let's understand with the timeline. Here I draw a little timeline. Now we are here at the present moment. We don't know when the game has started, okay? But it must be started before the time of speaking, like 10 seconds before, maybe it has started 1 hour before. We don't know exactly the time, okay? And it is going on for the time of period. It is in process. We don't know when it will end, okay? That time is not specified here, okay? But here we are showing the action is going on for the some time, okay? Then sometimes we use the present continuous tense to show the temporary situations. For example, I am staying with my friend in London. Okay, staying with friend at friend's house. This shows the temporary situations. After some day, after 1 week or 2 weeks, I will take my own house to live. Okay, so that temporary situation ends there. Okay, so we no longer stay at our friend's house for the permanent. Then sometime we use present continuous to show the changing situations, like house prices are going up. Okay, now you know that before lockdown the house prices are up. After lockdown you see that the house prices are down. Okay, so that prices are going up and down continuously. It is changing. Okay, in like way we can use it. Then we use present continuous tense to show the repeated action, okay, which is sometimes it is annoying, sometimes it is showing irritating situations. For example, she is always coming to class late. Okay, here the word always we also use that in simple present tense also to show the frequency of adverb. But now here we use to show the negative impact. She is always coming to class late. It is something is irritating. Okay, then we use present continuous tense to show the future actions. For example, we are having lunch together at the weekend. Here it is not going on right now. It will happen in future. If I remove at the weekend, okay, then what will the meaning will we get? We are having lunch together means it is going on right now. But if we add this phrase at the weekend, it will change the meaning of it, that we are having lunch together at the weekend, which is in future. This is not happening. Now let's understand when we use stative verbs. In a last class already I described what is stative verbs are. Okay, it's describing our emotions, our feeling, something you own, something you possess. Like that way we use stative verbs. But here it is very wrong to say that Anna is knowing Jim well. Okay, so instead of, we can use here Anna knows Jim well, because we do not use stative verbs in any continuous tense. Okay. Also, we are not using here the stative verbs in present continuous tense. Okay. So, just remember that one. Then, sometimes we have to talk about someone's look, someone's feelings. Okay. That time we can use words like looking, feeling, like that. For example, Kate is looking really good today. This is also correct. And also we can use Kate looks really good today. Both the examples are correct. And sometimes also we can say that how are you feeling? I'm feeling good. Or you can say that how do you feel? I'm feeling better. I feel very better right now. Okay. So like way we use the looks and feelings to tell something about it. Okay. Now let's understand how to make the structure of the sentence. Here I given the subject plus am, is, are. This is the to be verbs. Then verb plus present participle means VING, then object. Okay. Now let's make some sentences with positive, negative and question form. Okay. So let's make the positive first. For example, here I given the structure that I is a subject, am is a helping verb here, then VING, verb plus ING, then object. Just like that. I, we use here am. We are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Like that way we use the helping verb with these nouns. Then how to make the negative one? To make the negative sentence, here we have to simply add not. Okay. I am not working. We are not working. Once again. You are not working. They are not working. Then he, she, it is. Here what will come? Is not working. It is very simple to make the negative forms. Then let's make the question form of it. Here, to make the question form of it, we have to use the helping verb at the beginning of the sentences. For example, am I working? Are we working? Are you working? Are they working? Is he working? Is she working? Is it working? Like that way we can use the question marks. Then let's make some more questions with the help of the word when, why, what. This is WH type of questions. Okay. For example, when are you coming? Why are you crying? What are you doing? Okay. So, with the question words, we can use it to make the question in continuous present tense. Basically, everyone is doing spelling mistakes while writing. Okay. So, let's understand little bit about the spelling rules. Okay. Most of the time, we simply add ing. For example, feed become feeding. Drink become drinking. We just simply have to add ing. Then some of the words are ends with e. E is a vowel. Okay, so that time we have to simply drop the E and just write the ing over there. Write become writing, come become coming, like that way. Sometimes we use CVC pattern while writing. Okay, means that time what I have to do, just double the last letter and written it twicely. For example, sit become sitting, run become running, like that. Then double syllabus. For example, prefer means here we have to give the stress on the second syllable, means prefer. Prefer become preferring. Begin, here also begin. Here I am giving the stress on the second syllable, so that's why it gets doubled. Begin, beginning. Then some words are ends with IE. Okay, that time we have to simply drop the IE, and instead of we can use here Y and then put there ing. Means lie become line, die become dying. Very simple. Some exception words are also there. Means which words ends with WXY. Simply we have to add their ing, no change in that. Means play become playing, die become dying. This is all about the spelling rules. So let's understand more about with the small exercise. Here are some examples we have to solve here. First example is you use dash by mobile phone. So the rule of continuous tense is we are using subject plus is plus VING plus object. Okay, so what will come here? You are using my mobile phone. Okay, then my dad washed dash his car. So here what will come? My dad is washing his car. Okay, then it dash not rain today. Yes, very good. It is not raining today. Okay, then the students have dash lunch in canteen. Okay, here we are using have as a action verb. So the students are having lunch in canteen. Very simple. Then question, there is a one question. What in a bracket you/do at the moment. Yes, we have to use both the words here. What, after that helping verb will come. Are you doing at the moment? It is very simple to understand the present continuous tense. So keep practicing, keep watching. Okay, bye bye.